Hey everyone, Dorney here to give the latest on what's happening in the Near ecosystem. This is Near Bytes. Today on the agenda we have the first edition of the Near Working Group, the formation of the Near Digital Collective, a story about an attack on the Rainbow Bridge, and lastly, a look into a short video about Near given by one of its co-founders, Ilya. With that, let's get started. I know I've mentioned it a lot before, but NearCon is only a few weeks away, like literally less than 2 weeks. This is your final chance to go get tickets for NearCon. Please get them because I'd love to hang out with you. I'd love to you guys to see and meet the Near team. It'll be a lot of fun. Insert smile here. That's what it says. That's what I wrote. So I'm doing it. Insert my smile. Go get your NearCon tickets. That was aggressive. I'm sorry. Please get your NearCon tickets. Now on to the next topic. Working groups are a new initiative that was started to help discuss and implement Near Hazard Proposals, or NHPs. A couple weeks ago, the Contract Standards Working Group of Near met for the first time to discuss a new standard proposal. The meeting was set to be productive, and with the help of a community, a vote was cast on NEP 359 covering non-transferable NFTs to determine its course of implementation. You can find a community call video and a discussion on NEP 359 linked in the description below. Now, the Protocol Working Group is gearing up for its next meeting this Tuesday, September the 6th at 4 p.m. UTC. This working group will be discussing NEP 364, a protocol upgrade for efficient signature verification host functions. We're super excited to see everyone join and push this development of Near forward, so visit the link in the description below to RCP to join the meet. You do not want to miss it. The Near community has announced plans for the formation of the NDC, short for the Near Digital Collective. The NDC will be an ecosystem-wide, self-governed structure and treasury for Near. This new initiative will be led by members of the community, the core Near team, Pagoda, Kikimora, AstroDAO, Aurora, Near hubs from all across the world, and dozens of more key projects from the Near ecosystem. Working groups will be implemented to create Near's constitution, design a governance framework and proposal process, carry out technical development for the plan of the framework, prepare legal guidelines for the government structure, and define the community engagement guidelines to determine how the larger ecosystem will participate. This is a major milestone for Near, and everyone's welcome in helping to make the NDC a reality. Visit the announcement post in the governance forum to learn more and apply to join the working groups today. The Rainbow Bridge successfully warded off another attack. The Rainbow Bridge, if you don't know, is a trustless bridge removing assets between Aurora and Ethereum. Over the weekend, an attacker submitted a fabricated Near block onto the Rainbow Bridge contract. During this transaction, a safe deposit of 5 ETH was required. The transaction was successfully implemented onto Ethereum, and the attacker was hoping the attack would be too complicated to react to the following Saturday morning. But thanks to automated watchdog technology, the attack was spotted and thwarted in only 31 seconds, meaning assets on the bridge were kept safe and the attacker ended up losing 5 ETH. Hop onto a tweet thread in the description to learn how the Aurora team designed the bridge's architecture to prevent these types of attacks. So why should you build on Near? Well, the answer to that question is Near's Nightshade sharding mechanism. Ilya, one of the founders of Near, recently shared a video explaining what makes Near's approach to sharding special, and how it helps make Near an accessible, scalable, and secure option for developers. In the video, which is linked in the description below, you can also learn how Near's sharding mechanism is different from other implementations such as Ethereum's. You can also find examples of uses that benefit from those design choices. One for starters would be the intense parallel processing, which allows for consistency in transaction speeds across the network. Check it out and have fun learning. Hey everyone, that's all I have for you guys today. I want to give a quick shout out to Near Week, which is an awesome resource that aggregates and curates information about the Near ecosystem in the form of blog posts and newsletters. Go over to nearweek.com to check them out. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. And with that, have a great day.